This is a combo kit 2. I'm going to show you what it comprises of. This is the connection kit. 2 standard 50mm clips, 1 spacer bar, 1 metre length of insulation, 150 grams of bond and seal, and now I'm going to show you how to install it. So this is the connection kit, this is the starter. It's standard 32mm pipe. That's a socket on there so you can take your pipe work through your wall. If you don't have to insulate it right through your wall, you just drill a 65mm standard hole, put the bond and seal on here, and as you push it into the wall, it makes a lovely seal like this. If you do have to insulate it right through your wall, you just add a piece of pipe on there, put a piece of pipe off the insulation, and again, all you have to do then is put the bond and seal on, and as you push it in through the wall, you can make this fabulous watertight seal. So you get 2 standard 50mm clips and a spacer bar that's got a hole through the middle, and this is how you use it. So on any wall, to keep it away from the wall, you just cut your spacer bar down that far. If you're on an uneven wall, you can make the spacer bar longer, and if you've got a gully that you're going to go into and it's away from the wall, you can make the spacer bar even longer so that you can get straight in there to eliminate fittings. So this is a standard 1 metre length, so we're going to extend this into a gully. So it's standard 32mm, so you just put your socket on there, put your pipe work in and insulate it with this. Like I said, this is a metre, but you've also got 200mm on here, so you've got 1.2 to get to your drain. Should you require any more, you can just buy this as standard, and obviously just buy yourself another 50mm clips to get you there. So this is the bond and seal. It comes in a 150 gram tube that fits in your mastic gun very easily. If on a cold day it's really cold, what you need to do is warm that up before you use it, and this is how you use it. So the Condensate Pro goes through your wall, so you need to insulate between the wall and the actual insulation. So you do that by squirting this on and making a really nice seal like that. When you're joining 2 pieces together, you just put the bond and seal on the insulation, and as you push it together, a bit squeezes out, and you can make that nice and bond it just like this, make a nice capping. These are some of the tools that we've made to make life easier fitting the condensate. So we've got this as a grinder head. We've also got these, which are the drift kits. These are made to make the life a lot easier when you're fitting the Condensate Pro. So this is part of the drift kit. It comes in 21.5, 32 and 40mm. So all you need to do is take your pilot out of your drill, standard 65mm core. That goes and takes its place of the pilot. Then you pop it into the pipe, it spins inside the pipe, making a perfect hole, so you're not going to be spelching off. The other thing, if it's got a bad spelching like that, you're using that as your template, which is the pipe, and not the hole that's already created, so you're going to create the perfect hole every time. So this is the grinder head. It's obviously got blades on it, so that is going to make your wall flat. So what you need to do first is drill a pilot hole. Then along with the pilot hole, you put your grinder head in your drill and you pop it into there, and that turns and makes that wall flat. You can then core through with your 65mm, and then it leaves you a lovely edge so that you can put your bond and seal around there and make it look like that when it's finished.